Pancit Canton Value Meal is the title of our Virgin Beach Cebu vlog number 81. Hello everybody, I'm Ron Perry, and along with my wife Faye Perry are the owners of Virgin Beach Resort Malbago, Daanbantayan, Cebu, Philippines. We're here in California because of the COVID, but dreaming of being at the resort. We have a value meal menu in our restaurant at the resort, and all the items are only 100 pesos, and this Pancit Canton is listed there. Comes with iced tea or coffee. We're open for business, so we hope you'll come by and visit us soon. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.
Hello guys, now I will make Pancit Canton value meal on Virgin Beach. These are the ingredients. First, the meat, garlic, onion, bell pepper, beans, carrots, cabbage, corn, we put soy sauce. Next is the carrots and baggy beans. Cabbage, hantuan. Pancit Canton value meal for 100 pesos, and this one is for 50 pesos only.
Lang ba ang aking pag-ibig kung kaya't ako'y hindi mo pinapansin? Ano ang aking gagawin? Sabihin mo sa akin at aking susundin upang ang puso mo makapiling. Dapat ikaw ay sambahin, ngayong ako'y di mo pinapansin. Ano ang aking susundin? Ang isip o damdamin? Sa tuwing nakikita ka, ako'y nangangamba. Baka merong iba dyan sa puso mo.